Guutuu, one of the most respected Oromo heroes, who once said, "Gabrummaa hiddaan buqqifna, dadhabnu ilmaan itti guddifanna." You are that ilmaan he's speaking of. The Qeerroos and the Qeerrees, the Qubee generation, the most powerful, most educated, and most sophisticated generation of all time. A generation that has been raised in a keen politically and a socially aware atmosphere. A generation that is fearless, willing to sacrifice anything and everything to be free. A generation that is without a doubt most feared by the oppressive regime. So none of us will rest until all our brothers and sisters are released from the prison. We will not rest until we eradicate anything and everything that embodies the outdated and barbaric mentality that has crippled that country for so long. The young generation will not rest until what Hachalu with assassinated for is fulfilled. All the statues of the past dictators and oppressors are removed from the public spaces, particularly the embarrassing and demeaning Menelik statue that towers over the capital. We will not rest until every soul in that country is free. Because remember, we're not just fighting for the Oromos, we're fighting for the millions of other marginalized groups, the likes of the Sidamas and the Walaitas and the Sirtes. We're fighting for the justice for humanity. We're fighting for every oppressed soul that lives on that soil. So, my people, be sad but never be broken. Cry but never let your tears be seen by your oppressors. Let us continue to mobilize, organize like never before. Roll up your sleeves and get to work. Remind the regime that this is not the era for dictators to rule. And remember, this is not like any of our past movements. This is our last straw. Oromo, this is it. Our last chance to be free.